going to be doing is a review on the new CarPro Clarify streak-free glass cleaner. Just got this yesterday, and I had a chance to try it out on the windshield and see how it compared to the other products I've been using, which have been for a long time now, the Stoner Invisible Glass, which I've used for a long time. And for a more intensive clean, I'll use Eraser in between. But I've actually found that Eraser is a bit streaky and it takes a little bit more to get off the glass, so I'm pretty excited that they actually came out with their own product here. Again, this is called Clarify, so this is a brand new product for the end of 2019 into 2020 here. Initial thoughts, I would say, when you smell this stuff, it doesn't smell like anything else that I've smelled from any line of product. It smells kind of like a banana pudding, if that makes any sense. So different than any other glass cleaner that I've smelled, which I actually really like. So, and actually another product that I'll use to clean glass that I really like clean glass with, when I'm drying the car, or using Elixir when I'm drying on the glass works good, but I like Ec2O on the glass a lot, so this stuff always works good. It does take a little more buffing off, so I think when you're done washing and you're done washing and everything's clean, just to get the windows perfect, come by with Clarify or a glass cleaner as your final step. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put the sprayer in that they supply you with. Alright, so what they give you with the bottle when they send Clarify or any other CarPro product, they'll give you one of their sprayers, the Tokel sprayer here. So go ahead and put that in. And then what I like to do is I use two different towels, two of the same towels. These are the Rag Company Waffle Weave drying towels. These are great for glass. They're a real low pile, so they work really well on cleaning the glass. I use one to clean and then one to follow with. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to test Clarify on this square, and I took some shots showing that there is a lot of dust and a little bit of dirt on this glass. This one always gets dirtier than the rest of the car because it's in the back and it just kicks up a lot of dust and dirt when I'm driving. So I'm going to try both, and I'm going to try just single wipe and then my finish wipe after that with both, just to see what streaks look like. So let's start with Clarify. Let's get it going. I like to spray a little bit in the towel first, and then two sprays, just because we're doing a small area. And this product's real slick. I don't feel like any grab. Okay. We'll follow with another towel here. It's already flashing really quick, so that's already looking good. So let's flip the towels. I'll try a new side here, and we'll do the Stoner just to compare. What I find with Stoner glass cleaner, it's real watery, so I feel like I'm pushing around a lot of water, which isn't necessarily bad, but I feel like I have to work it in a little bit more. Let's do that, and then we'll go off with a new towel here. We'll see what we got going on here. So let me grab my light. Get our detailing light here. It's gonna be hard to see on camera, but I'm seeing a few small streaks on the Stoner side right here. So let's go ahead and take this tape off, and let's use Clarify. That was just a control surface, but let's go ahead and use Clarify on the entire back glass here, since it's all covered in dust. And we'll see. I had good impressions on the front of it, on the front windshield with it, so I think it's a good product, but I want to test a little bit more here on camera since this is a brand new product. Not runny, kind of just sticks to the glass. This back windshield, or back window, whatever you want to call it, it's kind of a pain to clean because you can't get up in here really well, so that's always an issue on this one. But And what I'm looking for here is if it removes, like wiper blade, little marks, just the general stuff I gotta usually get rid of. So I think it spreads real easily. Seems smooth. Very even. I find with the Stoner glass cleaner, it's, like I said before, it's kind of watery, so I feel like I'm pushing around a lot of water. It's pulling off, just like anything else would. Come back with our clean towel. What I'm looking for here is how many how many passes it takes to flash. So I'm seeing about 2 passes and then it's completely flashed and gone. Streak free. So definitely streak free. So yeah, I would say that's pretty good. So that's the CarPro Clarify. This is a really short review of it, but I wanted to make sure I got it up so you guys knew that this was a new product and what I thought about it. I'll do the rest of the car with it, but yeah, I think so far from initial impressions, this stuff is really nice and no streaking. Another product I have been using, like I was saying with the CarPro product line, the eraser, which is a little more watery, as you can already see. We'll try that out here. And this is for when you're polishing and you need to remove polish residue. I mean, it works great on glass. It's gonna strip. It's gonna strip any like sealants, like some kind of like waxes. So if you use like a spray wax or something on your glass, it's gonna remove that. But so it's a little heavier. I would say it's like a heavier duty, more heavy duty than the Clarify. It takes just a little bit more effort to remove. Still good though. So I would say if you need to really clean the glass really well, like a deep clean, you would go with the eraser first, and then for maintenance purposes, you'd be using Clarify as your maintenance general purpose glass cleaner on the inside and the outside. And we'll film the inside on the tent real quick, and I'll show you how that works. And then for general washing, drying aid, Ectuo works. Eco2, Ectuo, whatever. Ectuo works really well on glass as well. So let me go ahead and set up the camera on the other side, and I'll show you Clarify on the inside on the tent. Alright, so I always like to test out on the glass and see how it works on the tent as well. So make sure when you're doing like the inside with tent, you always have a brand new clean towel, not one that you used on the outside. Fold it into squares like that. We'll try this on the tent here. I actually like that this product's not real runny. Like I was saying earlier, it's not watery and runny and just drips all over the car. And it just has a real smooth feel to it. It's kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but it's definitely like a thinner product than other glass cleaners that I've used in the past. Not as messy. I'll just flip this one up for now. It's clean. Just has like a different type of feel to it. Kind of like eraser, but like a thinner version of that. But less streaky on glass for sure. And I wouldn't be using eraser on tent really. I think over time it might break down the film. I'm not totally sure about that. So yeah, I think that looks perfect. So yeah, I think this product is actually really good. I'm gonna keep using it from now on, just for maintenance, glass cleaning inside and out. Just a little more info on it. I think the price point's around $12 to $14 for the 1,000 milliliter, which will last you quite a long time. I think that price is fine for what you're getting. You're getting a high quality glass cleaner that is streak free. So initial thoughts and impressions is this is definitely a good product and I would recommend it.